This is the other this is another elevator, the Chicago Union Station in Chicago, Illinois. It's a Montgomery elevator from 1991. It was on M, which is a short distance from here. My first few elevators filmed in Chicago. Street. This one does not go to the food court. Here we go. Here at the street level. We're gonna go back down to A. Now back down to A. Central elevator B. Just like the other one. Older innovation. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Not true modded the other ones. Yeah, it smells like hydraulic fluid in this one as well. Typical Montgomery and the typical Montgomery flue indicator. Here are back in the A level. Wait till the door's closed. There goes Ann. That's it.